You are about to head out the door. Right now, you need to bundle up. It is cold once again. What is it this morning? 25 degrees.
Yeah, and windy out there. Nick Koster with your AccuWeather forecast.
Thank you, Paige. Yeah, no snow falling in the mountain counties, but a hard freeze overnight has left some roads really icy and slick to deal with out there due to all that moisture that we saw yesterday. A little more breezy up towards Jefferson and Boone, so that makes the wind chill feel like it's in the single digits, feeling like 23 in Monroe. Going with a high of 48. Typically, we're at about 53 for this time of the year. Better tomorrow. Could see some snow on Thursday. Otherwise, I think the Piedmont stays dry and cloudy.
A man could be indicted today for the murder of a local teenage girl, a man who's already been to trial twice. Back in 2010, 16-year-old Felicia Barnes was found dead while visiting family in Baltimore. The Baltimore City State Attorney will hold a press conference on the case today, and Barnes's father tells Fox 46 that it's to announce Michael Johnson has been indicted for the murder. Johnson has had 2 mistrials for Barnes's murder.
If they could stab to death Lama and they could do what they did to her, is it going to be a child next?
And 3 men in Union County are in jail after sheriffs there say they mutilated a llama. The charges came this weekend after sheriffs say they entered Waxhaw Llama and Alpaca Farm and murdered one of the animals. They allegedly cut her in half with knives and spread her remains throughout a 10-mile radius there. Now, these men are charged with felony cruelty to animals, breaking and entering, and larceny. The owner of the farm says she hopes they're convicted and that they serve time.